find the speech. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita buat friendly je lah. I think that's better. First of all, thank you for coming. I found out ada datang daripada Kelang, from KL, from all over the place to be here. So thank you so much for making time to come here, because I know kita berjamaah dengan family kita hari ini. Today is Sunday, right? We should be spending a lot of quality time with our family, and some of us have responsibilities in kerja, but you make time to come here. So I'm very proud to be part of this proceedings today, and I'm sure everyone is. That shows that kita ni masih lagi ada a lot of semangat kan for what's going to happen to our alumni. So that's what the gist of what I'm going to talk about today. As you know, I think most of you I've met lah. Since our elections itu bila? 21st April. The EXCO sat down, and then we decided to do a roadshow. We had a communications roadshow. So we met key representatives from every batch. So we had baru je habis all 10 batches last Friday. Not Friday ni, the week before. So that gave us a lot of insights, a lot of ideas of how to move forward lah. Okay, so basically what we intend to do is to revive our alumni. Kita tahu dalam alumni kita ni banyak talents, there are lots of talents, and we also discovered that many batches have a lot of ideas and a lot of programs. Ada setengah tu yang ada buat program macam-macam. You know, if I may say, not exclusively lah, macam batch of Shikin ni batch, Mimi yang semua tu. They have done a lot of programs, like counselling programs, and so on and so forth. And they got many other ideas as well. So when we met every batch, we discovered one thing. We discovered that kita ni semua still share the same strong passion for our alumni, although our school is no more. Our school is no more. So the spirit of MRCM doesn't lie in a location. I mean, the buildings are still there, our ghosts are still there, but we carry within ourselves that spirit. And every batch too, the spirit is strong, SPD core kita tu. So this batchman spirit ni is reflective of our MRCM spirit, and I think all batches have the same spirit. Nak menolong kawan, our concern for our fellow batchmates, people that we grew up with for 5 years masa kita duduk di seberang tu dulu. Am I pointing the right direction? Yes, that way kan? So 5 years that you spend time with, dah jadi macam adik-beradik kan? Kawan-kawan kita tu is our brothers and our sisters. And kalau macam some batches yang all girls, those are your sisters forever. Walaupun not by blood, but because the kinship is very strong. Same thing with my batch juga. We are brothers. In fact, I'm closer to them than my brothers, than my own brothers. So ada problem ke apa semua, we share. However, kita pula nak menggorak langkah since our elections dulu. So kita nak buat simple steps. We just want to take simple steps. Simple steps nak mencungkil that spirit. Kita boleh naikkan as a group. Kita move as a group at that alumni level. So this is what we intend to do lah. And I think hari ini I nak rumuskan apa yang dalam perbincangan kita dalam our meeting to every batch. Basically kita kalau boleh the batch strength tu kita pupukkan lagi, right? The batch strength is the pillar of the alumni. Dan kita ada 10 batches from 1972 sampai 82, tolak tahun 78 kita dari intake. So kita ada 1,800 members, plus or minus lah, roughly 1,800 potentially. Dalam Facebook kita tengok pun ada 900 lebih, half. So maknanya aktif the Facebook, tapi saya nak masuk saya tak berani. It's a bit steamy and hot. So kita take a distance sekejap lah. So the reason kita tak nak masuk tu, kita nak organize ourselves dulu. So as you know, kita dah met every batch. We are thinking that kalau okay, the idea is some batches are very well organized. Some want a loose kind of organization. That's okay too. Alright. So kita nak mengumpul batch strength ni. We want to give away 1,000 ringgit to kickstart your activities to every batch. Walaupun you tak ada formal organisation pun, it's okay, as long as somebody is accountable for it. That to kickstart lah, katakan you want to use that money nak hold meetings pun boleh, ataupun you want to use as seed money nak start activities pun boleh, because activities is what the alumni is all about. For the moment, kita nak mengumpul silaturahim antara batches pun. So this year is a very what you call auspicious year. This year is celebrate the 40th anniversary of the founding of MRSM. We are the pioneer MRSM. So kita nak celebrate the 40th anniversary of the founding of MRSM, and that is what we are going to discuss today. Just to introduce to you, I'm so sorry, I forgot my manners. I have to introduce my school members. Saudara Iman Shah is our night president. Saudara Zuhair is our secretary. Puan Faizatul Akmal tak dapat hari ini, dia di Ipoh, so dia can salam. We have also appointed 2 auditors, Cik Zana Pit, Cik Zana Pit, and Cik Asno. And we also have appointed Dr. Zaidi Mahda. Zaidi, please. Dr. Zaidi Mahda is our organizing chairman for the Big 40. Tentatively, this is what we're calling it, the Big 40. Yeah? So he's going to talk about that. I'm not going to steal his thunder. But what is important is this spirit of MRSM. Yeah? Kita tak ada college lah, tapi the spirit is within us. We want to promote that spirit through activities for the first year. Hopefully, we are able to build a platform strong enough that for future EXCOs besok, they can use this as a blueprint. So there are many derivatives that we want to do out of this exercise. One, we want to create a database, a directory, so that we know who our members are. Banyak derivatives lah, Dr. Zaidi. Derivatives untuk nak buat directory ni, so that I'm sure you know it's for networking, untuk macam-macam lagi lah kan. Sebab we don't know. When I sat down at EXCO dulu to just list down some luminaries within our own alumni, ramai. You know, not just the ones that we already know who they are, but even at the professional levels pun ramai, entrepreneurs pun ramai. So in that way, perhaps over time we can also assist each other, kan? But most importantly, we want a greater interaction among batches. I think that's very important. Kalau tak kerana this roadshow, I wouldn't know many of you. I wouldn't know Ismail, I wouldn't know Mimi, Shiki, Rozaki, and so on and so forth. You know, it was a good experience for me because this is our warga, our family lah, kan? And our family ni, we are not going to get more members. Kita dah menopause. Yeah? Somebody might say, who says so, but, so we are not going to get new members. So the members are just us. Macam Saudara Zuhair tadi cakap sikit tentang apa, we lost 3 members recently, yeah? 3 members, and 2 orang pada batch of 77. We also have members who are in need, yang sakit, apa semua. So we have to think about ways of how to make life better for our brothers and sisters lah. In some ways, kan, we need to explore. However, dia macam ni lah. Kalau macam Christopher Columbus tu nak pergi to discover the new world tu, dia minta Isabella or Prince Philip, King Philip untuk ship. So hala tuju dia tahu, right? So they have a ship, they know where to go. Kita the ship pun tak ada lagi. Kan? So the thing is, we have to build the ship first. We have to rebuild our house. I know the exco when I see the house, it's telling the same story. So, but basically, this house that we need to rebuild is very important. House ni, like I said, every batch duduk dalam satu bilik, and then they play among each other, but we don't know each other, right? So we want to take the baby steps. After so long, we are not there yet. Yeah, we need to rebuild our house. We need to get members to know each other, and we need to create activities so that our members keluar from their rooms, meet other members from other rooms, from our own little home rooms lah, so to speak lah, kan, everybody. And hopefully we get to know each other better, right? So when we know each other better, then there's trust, there's belief, and hopefully the sincerity that we display will be the platform for good things to happen. So that's why it is important that we do that. And berbalik pada yang tadi yang RM1,000 tu, it's just, to us, it's just a nominal punya gesture, because we don't have much money right now. Our account is only about RM23,000. Then RM10,000 we done. So we are using part of the money to do this event today, so that we get everybody here lah, kan? So, but we'll find funds. Yeah. We just want every batch to have some form of understanding that the alumni is there for that. And we want to rebuild this alumni at the level whereby we can be proud of. We don't need a physical location right now. College kita masih lagi tu. I mean, kalau tengok situ, memory lane lah, kan? You know where you did things.
What things? What things? Many things.
Okay, macam Master Profesor Hamidun kata ni, dulu masa nak pergi new building, still new building kan? Dah 40 tahun still new building.
Oh, new building.
Dia ambil orange daripada that little shrine bawah pokok tu kan?
So you were the one,
All sorts of things. I think we all share the same thing growing up, right? I'm not sure if you know about Warung Kayu, things like that. Warung Kayu is tak boleh cakap kat mana? Tak boleh. Warung Kayu tu is asramasi, kan? Asramasi. So the boys used to go up the roof. So buka the shingle tu, then you can see Asramadi. So Asramadi ni first floor tu, the girls pakai curtain. It was used to be a girls' dorm. So second floor curtain dia orang tak tutup. So in the roof tu you can see to second floor. That was you. So there was Warung Kayu, right? So I mean, we share these things. These are histories. Yeah? These are histories that we share, and we laugh about it. I mean, every time kita jumpa Mang Awsan, we share the same stories, and we never fail to laugh. Betul tak? Kadang-kadang kawan kita the same thing pun kita laugh. Why is that? The jokes will always be funny, walaupun being told 1,000,000 times, right? So that's us. That's us. That's unique traits. We unfortunately right now, even on the Ansara punya genealogy lah, kita punya Seremban ni has been more or less wiped out lah, kan? Because tak ada sekolah, macam mana orang nak cerita pasal kita, kan? So, but the only thing what we can do is, if we build our alumni strong enough, we do activities yang boleh menampilkan our standing in society lah, kan? We can do projects macam yang mengharumkan actually nama Ansara ni. Kalau overall project our dari Dr. Halim Abu Bakar, the campaigner Madara, and then we are talking about that Kulim punya killer batch of apa tu, Raja Ali punya batch kan, they do macam-macam. So but these are either private or individual punya contribution or a batch punya contribution. Yes, never been an Ansara punya contribution. Right. I hear masa during the roadshow, macam-macam ideas that we want to do, that we can do. however, all this while kita tak ada platform to do those things. And this is what we nak buat. We want to create this platform so that ideas from the batches, as you know, the batches are the pillars of the alumni, to contribute through the alumni to society, to the larger MRSM group and to society, right? So these are the prime concerns lah. And also to look into, welfare is a big thing, as you know. Even some batches they organize their own welfare programs, macam my own batch kan, batch of 72 ni. We have a welfare program. Dr. Zaidi is heading it. He created something called the Long Lost Pioneer Program, LLP program lah, bukan LLB, LLP. Some of our friends don't want to be found, as you know kan. Ada setengah kawan tak nak, they don't want to be part of ni apa semua, for their own reasons. Ada setengah tu sakit, we don't even know about, so we, basically do home visits, do that kind of thing. So these are little things that we can do for our brothers and sisters kan, on a smaller scale. But on a larger scale, there are a lot more things that we can do. I hear from Mimi punya batch, they're looking into a soup kitchen for the homeless. That's something that alumni can do, can pick up, spearheaded by you. Your counseling programs, we can make it an alumni program, spearheaded by your batch, for example. Yeah. So basically, we don't need a physical location right now. We just want to get people excited this year, excited that kita boleh membuat langkah as a group rather than smaller groups. Then we'll become stronger. Right? So ada some members want us to transform an organization called MARA. So we say, macam mana transform? We are here, rumah pun tak ada lagi. We haven't set it up yet. We cannot do big things until we can do small things. So the biggest test for us is to see whether we can work together first. Right? Sebab until we did the roadshow, we don't even know that many of the guys existed. I only know my batch, you only know your batch. Yeah. So we don't know. So doing this, let's test ourselves. Can we work together or not and find a common ground dulu? And let's take it that one step at a time dulu. Of course, there are bigger things we can handle, but our ship is not built. Our ship is not there yet. We need to build our ship. Once we are on the ship, baru boleh nampak horizon. Sekarang masih lagi kat darat, rumah tak ada. So we need to rebuild this house that has been dormant, full of potential, full of promise, people by talented individuals like yourselves, with ideas, let's revive, let's rejuvenate that and find a common ground whereby we can move as a group. I don't consider myself so much as a president, but rather as a facilitator saja. This president punya title ni kadang-kadang is a misnomer kan. So basically, I just want to facilitate the revival of Ansar Sumbat, the spirit of it. Right? That's why we spend a lot of time meeting. Kadang-kadang balik pukul pagi kan. Pergi kadang yang organize kat Bangi, kat everywhere tengah malam kan. Pergi kan, balik dekat 1-2 pagi. Bangi bos sekali.
Putrajaya.
Kantoi.
Dia 2 pagi. Saya duduk Kota Damansara, so for me it's a long way lah kan. And then plus in addition our own discussions, phone calls, on our FB apa semua, just trying to move this. So that's why we are proud. We are proud that you guys made time to come today. I mean, we are deeply honored because you took time off from your families and from other important things in your life to be here. Kita ni, we have families, dalam kita ketua rumah and stuff like that. So, but to be able to be gathered here today, walaupun 40 orang, to me that's the biggest achievement. And I think as we go along, besok, once we have our momentum, more people will see the value in our alumni. Right now, dua je, I think. There is a gap between belief and trust. They believe things must happen, believe things must be done, but trust too, can they actually do it? Yeah. So, to me, basically this year, let's use that big 40, the 40th anniversary of MRSM Seremban, sorry, the 40th anniversary of the founding of MRSM, to be the catalyst for our revival. Let's move it up. Anything else I should say today? Time's up. Okay, I would be belaboring lah, kan, belaboring kalau to talk more, and kadang-kadang Sir Razvi will always pijak kaki I, you know, so I said, you know, he does that to me, dia tahu, he knows me well. So, you know, on that score, thank you lah, kan kita ada Q&A apa semua, but today I think what we are do is, this is the start of the building block lah. We have met all the batches, now most of the batches are here today. Saja nak rumuskan apa yang kita bersembang dulu dalam our batch meetings. We want to do the big 40. Dr. Zali is in charge sekarang to let you know what's going on. Basically, thank you for coming today, and let's think about what we can do. Yeah. All right. Thank you.